Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming with you tonight. It's February 28th, and I am sitting here in my living room because my office is being worked on, and I'm pretty excited. So please excuse all of the stuff in the background. I wanted to bring this video to you today because I'm excited, and there's some points that I want people to really focus on. Talking about the system that I'm currently using and the commissions that I have made utilizing this program, and why it's so important to marry the process, focus on your online business so that you can earn a full-time income from home. For those that don't know, I'm a single mom of two, and I've been online since 2015. I did not have my breakthrough until the end of 2016, where I started building a full-time income from home, and it is growing, and I'm helping a lot of people to do the same. For those that don't know, I am utilizing the Power Lead system, which I was in back in 2015, made absolutely no money, $0. Took a second look at it, and I'm so happy that I did because I have generated thousands of dollars utilizing this program, and I'm showing people exactly how to do the same, newbie friendly, giving people the training that they need so that they can take their business to the next level. So not to brag, but to show you what is possible. I'm here in my Gmail account where I can show you the commissions that I earn. And just going back to February 26th, as you can see, I brought in commissions every single day, 2 Diamond members on the 26th. Diamond, when Diamond members come in, that's a $100 commission. You pay one-time fee of $147, and then you get unlimited $100 commissions. If people come in and then you get a fast start bonus, which is here, I had one today. That is a $400 commission that you receive by paying a one-time fee of $497, getting unlimited $400 commissions. And then, of course, the gold commissions, which come and go, but that's okay because we're building the foundation, which takes some time to do, but you're actually earning while you're building. So we love that as well. You pay $53 monthly, and you make $20 unlimited commissions. Okay. And then even here, I got a person that came in as a Lead Lightning member. They paid their $6. It does not give them access to the Power Lead System funnels, but they can earn unlimited $6 commissions by paying $7 one time and getting unlimited $6 commissions. So what I want to say is that another reason I really haven't done a lot of videos is because I want people to realize that they do not have to do videos, and they do not have to depend and rely on knowing how to do videos in order to make a full-time income online. Videos is a very small percentage of what I receive from the people that join the business. The main thing that drives commissions to my account is cold traffic. Now, for those that don't know what cold traffic is basically when you go out and you purchase a certain amount of clicks, and you have those clicks come to your capture page where people see what they like and they decide to get involved in your business opportunity. That does not involve you to be a face on YouTube. It does not require you to be on Facebook pumping information. You're just driving cold traffic. And that's one of the easiest and most simple ways to start to build a business and put your business literally on steroids, okay? You know, people think that they have to be a face on Facebook. They have to build this large following. That is not necessary, okay? What I do and what I teach my team how to do is to drive massive traffic and to do it within a budget that's fit for you and your household, and just get people going through your funnel on a consistent basis. And what that does is it generates commissions, and it starts off small, but it grows and grows and grows as you pump more traffic through your funnel. So with that said, this is one of those programs that it's easy to duplicate. It's easy for someone to come in and duplicate your results by driving traffic, okay? I've been in this business since 2017, the end of 2017, and I have generated a ton of commissions utilizing the system. Okay, here I am in my back office. This is my Power Lead System account. And so far for this week, I'm already over $1,000 in commissions. Last week, I made over $2,000 in commissions, okay, by coming in at the highest level. And the week before that, I made over $1,900 in commissions, um, again, by coming in at the highest level. And you know what? This is something that anyone can do because we're using a done for you funnel. We're all utilizing the same capture page, and we're running traffic through our funnel and allowing the autoresponder that's built into the Power Lead system to do the selling and telling for us. There's meetings that happen on Wednesday, Thursday, and Sunday evening that does the selling and the telling for us. So what we do is we're pumping people through the funnel, and as people see what they like and they want to give it a try, they can get involved at the 7-day trial. They can upgrade. They can keep their Power Lead system, use it for whatever business it is that they're promoting, and just rinse and repeat. And that's what I've been doing. It's a rinse and repeat process, not including mini videos, like I said, but mainly focusing on driving cold traffic. So what I want people to do, if you are in the Power Lead system, or if you're looking at the Power Lead system, the main thing that's most important that most people do not do is marry the process. We all know that we're here to make money online. We want to make money either, whether it's to get out of your daytime job, to put your kids through college, to take the vacation you always wanted to take. You know that that's why you're here, okay? You don't have to think about it and let that consume you to being impatient about the process. Marry the process and you will reap the benefits that comes with the system. Because if I can start this in September and get these types of commissions this easy and this fast, anyone can do it, okay? It's really that simple. So I just wanted to put together this quick video to introduce myself and introduce the Power Lead system. I'm looking to inspire others to start a home-based business and to let them know that it is easy to do. It's easy to get involved, and I'm here to help. So if you are not yet within the Freedom Takers group, please request Freedom Takers, which is within the Facebook, which is within Facebook groups. You can request to be added to see what's going on within our group. I will go ahead and add you, and then you can go ahead and get started. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. And if you are not yet a subscriber to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to follow my results. So thanks again for watching my video, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the other side. So thanks again and have a great night.